upgraded my thermostat. I went from the stock 203 to 180 degree thermostat because the truck was running a little warmer than I wanted it to. 205 to 212 back and forth, and I really wasn't into that. And I did a lot of research before I did. Oh, by the way, this is a 2014 1500 Ram 5.7 4x4. Does got a little lift kit with some 35-inch tires on it and everything. Excuse me. But I wanted it to run a little bit cooler than what it was running. So I did a bunch of research on the swapping to the 180 degree thermostat. Some people saying it wouldn't make any difference. It did make a difference and all that. And I'm like, you know what? It's only $20 to swap it out. $25 plus some coolant to replace the, you know, to top it back off. So I'm like, why not? So I put that in there, and you can see what it's doing. I've been driving around for like the last 10 minutes, and you can see my speed, see this, and everything. No check engine lights. This is the highest that it's gotten in the last 15 or 20 minutes that I've been driving it, and I did let it sit in idle for like 15 minutes. And it's been like 188. I think it got up to 188. So now I'm coming into some stop and go traffic, and you'll be able to see. But to me, and I know there's pros and cons. Some people are going to say this, some people are going to say that. But if you're like that with those temps and stuff in your car, your truck, I'm guessing this will work on any HEMI. Like I said, this is the 5.7 I have. It's a 2014 model, and 4x4 1500 lift kit, 35-inch tires, so it's a little bit harder on the motor and stuff, I guess, a little bit more to pull on it or whatever. But I went on ahead and done it, and like I said, I've been driving. I let it idle for a good 10 minutes or so, getting all the bleeding air out of the system, and I've been driving it, getting in and out of it, 85 and up. Now you can see I'm in stop and go traffic, Louisiana heat, 80 degrees, and you see the temp is just sitting steady. That's the highest I've seen it get so far. But to me, man, you know, it's only like 20 bucks if you're interested in doing it. You know, if you're like, should I do it, should I not do it? To me, I'm glad I went on ahead and put the 180 degree Tstat in there. And like I said, I've been running it kind of hard too. I don't know. To me, it's worth it. Now my temps are down here. They're good. I feel a little bit more comfortable about them. And I've had this truck for, it's a 2014 model. I bought it in 2015. I've had it 6 years, I think. Yeah, 6 years. And it's just that temperature. I never really paid that much attention to it until I had to replace the water pump on it not long ago. But anyway, then I started paying more attention to it, making sure the new water pump was working and everything. But it only takes, it's 20, I think I paid $25 for that Stant, whatever, 180 degree Tstat. It took about 10 minutes to do. All you need is a 13mm socket with an extension. Take it out, put the new one back in, top it back off with coolant, and then you're good to go. Crank it up, bleed the system, and that's all you got to do. And it's good. Like I said, and so far it's good. I've had it out on the interstate, driving in and out of town through traffic and stuff like this, and everything seems to be doing good. I would say go ahead and go for it.